a cruddy dad and he's licking inside.
Why do you always do this?
Do what? Tell you the truth?
It's not the truth. I just can't see reason through that teen-angsty brain of yours. You know what? I'm gonna go get the mail. You go inside. Let's try not to fight while my father's visiting. It's not that I don't like your music. It's that I don't understand this generation's music at all. NSYNC, Backstreet Boys, it's just not something that appeals to me.
You just don't get it. Music is now. Music is what's happening. It's in. Boy bands are totally hot right now.
Look at this. Can you believe it? 30th one this month, Karen. I can't believe it. These people are the reason why I don't want you to pursue music after high school.
I still don't get it.
I was a history major, and I got an associate's degree, but I couldn't really use that anywhere. And I just don't want you to suffer the same fate as me.
I don't think history is the same as music, Dad.
That's not my point. You know, people in my day had it harder. Why, I had to walk to school when I was younger. Uphill, both ways. Through the snow! That's how I started my life.
So you're saying this person is looking for a job?
I'm saying this person already has a job, and it's ticking me off. Who could that be? Well, speak of the devil, if it isn't Karen.
Well, hello, sir. Lovely weather we're having today.
What do you mean? It's been raining all dang day.
Dad!
Sounds like you have a bit of a storm brewing in here. Oh, hi, Kaitlyn, honey. You just do whatever it is you want to do. Oh, well, here, have another flyer.
Why don't you mind your own business and keep your own advertisements? I'll follow the neighborhood.
But I even have a bi-monthly special. It'll allow you more time to spend with your family.
I'm fine, Karen. Thank you.
I can't believe how rude you are. And we're out of clean dishes.
Then do the dishes.
This is why Mom left you, you knob.
Go to your room. I'm gonna go check up on Dad.
Gladly. I'll be 18 in 2 months anyway. That way I'll go to Chicago, where music flies free, and where you'll never find me. Plus, since Y2K is coming so soon, it doesn't matter since the world is gonna be over anyway.
Richard, how are you doing?
Not good. It's Kaitlyn, Dad. She's just not listening. It seems she wants to go out there and play music on the streets and just ask passers-by for money. I can't let her do that, Dad.
I remember a young man back in the day who wanted to join the circus.
I was 5 years old, Dad.
I let you go, and I went in and started to fix some lunch. You were back before the cheese sandwich got cold.
It's not the same.
It is the same. You can either support her and she will come back to you, or you can reject her and she will never come back.
Just care about her future.
She cares about her future too. Go talk to her.
Can I come in, Care Bear?
Are you gonna yell at me again?
No. I came to apologize.
Yeah, you
That tune you're playing sounds really nice.
Thanks. I wrote it myself.
Wow, really?
Yeah, I don't know if you noticed, but I'm kind of all about music.
Yeah, I just want to apologize because I know you're really psyched about that audition coming in. I'm just afraid I'm going to lose you when you go out there in the big world after that audition.
Dad, it's a band tour that's in 3 months, and it's like just a couple towns away.
When is the audition again?
In an hour, but there's probably already a line.
Well, how long could the line be? Let's get there. Let's get you in it.
Really?